One of the use cases of analytics value escalator is in facility management and operation. One of the responsibilities of a facility manager is preventive maintenance. The traditional preventive maintenance of the equipment and facilities are usually done in two basic ways: time-based and meter-based. Time-based maintenance depends on the assets, so it might be done daily, weekly, monthly, annually, or any other time-based interval. On the other hand, the meter-based maintenance is not time-based, but rather a set meter reading maintenance. One of the challenges with the traditional preventive maintenance is doing it at optimal time frame. Doing it sooner or later will waste money and resources. In addition, sometimes some unexpected environmental variables, operation hours, or other connected assets could impact the operation of a system and cause failures. The resulted damage could be significant, as you know. With IoT, digital twins, and AI, predictive maintenance could be done efficiently and save costs for owners and facility managers. For doing so, the facility managers should store the data if they haven't already. If they've been doing it, then they can leverage the data to run the four types of analytics value escalator we discussed earlier, depending on what their purpose is. For example, with the descriptive analytics, the facility manager can get visibility over the status of work orders, assets, and breakdown time. However, to understand what's causing a trend, they need to run diagnostic analytics. So here, we can use knowledge representation reasoning method discussed earlier to encode expert knowledge as rules and, for example, identify which assets are failing and why. But to find out what will happen, we need the predictive analytics, and what action should be taken, we need the prescriptive analytics. For example, a supervised machine learning model can predict any failure or downtime and provide insight for a facility manager. By doing so, the AI model informs the facility manager if there is a risk or a potential issue or breakdown. So once the facility manager is informed about this, then it's time for actions and preventing the situation. So via the optimization approach introduced earlier, the AI solution could prioritize the maintenance and repair activities per the urgency. And this is how the prescriptive analytics can help. So the facility manager can use the predictive analytics to create a recurring maintenance schedule for the equipment, or use the prescriptive analytics to calculate the optimal time for replacement and capital expenditure. And this is how the optimization branch could be used here, so that we could increase the efficiency within that process or reduce the failure or downtime of the mechanical systems.